Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to another hunt. This is a world coin hunt and I've designated it CP1. The CP stands for Coin Patrol. I won a bag of world coins off him and this is one of the hunts that I've made from that bag of coins. Excuse me one second, I've just got to turn the fan off. Sorry if that disturbed your enjoyment. I forgot about the fact that it switched on. The first coin in this hunt is a French coin, as you can see. It's an ally coin. It's a portrait and it has the country's name around the outside. The reverse of the coin has RF, which is France. You've got 5 francs, which is the denomination. And you have a laurel going round both sides. And the date is 1945. The mintage for this coin is 95,398,800. Right, the next coin in this hunt is one that we've got to know well recently over the past few months. It's a 1 rupee from Mauritius. It shows the portrait of Dr. Ramagulam, and on the reverse they have the coat of arms of Mauritius. We have the date, which is 2012. We have Mauritius around the outside and we have the value at the bottom. 1 rupee. 1 rupee. The third coin in this hunt is from Guatemala. It's a 1 quetzal and that's Quetzal. It's from 2016. On the obverse we have a scroll there's the scroll. We have birds. We have a larch, what I believe is larch tree, and the year of 2016. On the reverse we have the value with the signature. We believe the bird on the reverse is a stylized peace dove from the information that I have. Okay, so Guatemala is one of these countries where you're not sure whether you have one or not from before. The next one looks like one of our 50p's. It's from a country that's from a couple of goes ago. It's a 10 rupee coin from 1997. Again, it has Dr. Ramagulam. And then on the reverse we have the value of the coin, which is the 10 rupees. And we have a man cutting sugar cane. I don't know if this is one of the FAO coins that were around at around about this time. It could well be, as it shows agriculture. The FAO, of course, is Food and Agriculture Organisation, which is a UN-based organisation. Okay, so that's 10 rupees from Mauritius. We're getting around a bit on this hunt because here we have an Angolan coin, 100 kwanzas. That's KWANZAS. It's from 2015 and it shows a man running up a flag for his country. This coin represents the 40th anniversary of independence. The mintage is 50 million. So that's the front, and on the back is just a plain, reverse is just the value, the year, and a patterned design going down this side. So that is the Angolan 40th anniversary coin of independence. Okay, 50 million is the mintage, which is quite high. The next coin in this one is one from the Dominican Republic. It's 50 pesos from 1977. On the reverse here we have the country's arms, we have a value, and we have the year. This particular one is just 3,000 coins, just 3,000 minted. On the front is a portrait of Sanchez. It's the 50th anniversary coin for the bank. So the Bank of Dominica had their 50th anniversary in 1997, and this is one of the coins that they released. There's only 3,000 of them minted. Next we're going across the world again to which was, I believe, a Dutch country, Macau. It is now part of China, and it is a one Pataka, and that's P-A-T-A-C-A, from 2007. This one shows the year and the country, year being 2007, and this one here on this side is the Gua Lighthouse, and that is G-U-I-A-L-I-G-T-H-O-U-S-E, the Gua Lighthouse. There is not a mintage for this coin, but it's believed to be common, a common mintage. Next coin is a bimetallic coin from Turkey. It shows their leader Ataturk. It's from 2009. The mintage for this 50 Kuros coin is 162,840,100. It shows the suspension bridge over the Bosphorus. It's one that we've seen a few times on this channel in particular. I know we've done it a few times. Next we have two Kuwaiti coins. Two Kuwaiti coins. One is 5 fil and one is 15 fil. I'm not sure of the years. On the reverse we have the masted boat. Next we have the smallest coin of this hunt, but probably the most minted. It has there on this side we can see the eagle of the poles, double-headed eagle. And on this side we have one gross, or one gros, G-R-O-S-Z. It's from 2016. On the back here we have the value plus the oak leaf, and the mintage is huge. It's 266,011,103. Hell of a mintage for a very small coin. Next we have a Scalloped edge coin, which is a 20 cents coin from 1995. It could only be one country really when you look at it like that. This is from Hong Kong. Just a few years short of independence. That took them back into Chinese, under Chinese protectorate. It's 20 cent. On this side you have the value, and you have some Chinese writing around it, and on the other side you have an orchid. I believe it said common mintage. It's not one that is easily available. It's not one that's mentioned when mintages are mentioned. The next one is Israeli. It's a 10 Argonauts. You have a Jewish candelabra on this side, and on the other side we have a value. It's common mintage. There are no precise mintage figures for that coin. Here we have a Wanzhou from China. On the back, on the reverse of this Wanzhou coin, it has a date of 2005. We have the orchids, or iris. I think it's actually orchids rather than irises, but it's a common coin and doesn't have a mintage figure. The next coin on this hunt is a Icelandic coin, and we have Bergerson the Giant, Bergersi the Giant. It has Iceland underneath, and it has Ein krona, which is 1 krona. On the reverse you have the 1 krona above a cod fish. It's from 1994. There are no mintage figures. It's a common coin. Next, this one again is an old, it's a low value coin which doesn't have a mintage figure. It's just that it's common. It's a 1 Cent Malaysian coin from 1987. It has a country and the value at least on this side, and on the reverse, on the reverse side we have the Houses of Parliament for Malaysia. Just 4 coins left to go in this hunt. This one here is a, what would I call it, an aluminium coin from Japan. It's a 1 yen. It has its value on that side, and on this side is a bamboo shoot. Very common coin, no mintage figures. This next one is South African. Have I got that the right way up? Yes, I have. It's the right way up. That's South African. On there you have the coat of arms of the country and the country's name, and the year is 2000. On the back you have the fact that the picture of a crane, bird, and 5 cents, which is the value of the coin. The coin is from the year 2000, and it has a mintage of 132 million coins. 2 coins to go. Both of them are not unusual for this coin, for coin hunts. First one is a 20 centimes from 1978. It's a French coin. It has Marianne, and she has the filigrane cap, which is the revolutionary cap. The mintage for this coin is 125,039,011. And on the back we have, on the reverse we have the 20 centimes, which is the value, and we have laurels. Do we also have the date? Yes, we do. And the last coin of this hunt is a Belgian coin. It has the head with the cornucopia on the right hand side of the head, which is just running down this side. We have the cornucopia, that's it. And then on the reverse we just have the 1 and the franc on the side of the oak leaves. We have a crown above the oak leaves, and it's in Belgique, so it is French text. It is a French text 1 franc coin. The mintage of this coin for 1950, which is the year of minting, is 13,630,000. Now, that's the coins. I'll stay in this bag until I get time to sort them out into the new Mr. Page and get them flipped and such like and put into my collection fully. I hope you've enjoyed this hunt. If you have, could you please give me a thumbs up? It doesn't take you a couple of seconds of your time. And that, along with subscribing to the channel, this alters the algorithm of my site to put me in front of new people. My aim for this year is to improve my subscription rate for this channel and to get more subscribers. I'd like to reach 150 if possible. I'm currently on 73, so I would like to expand that and grow it. Yeah, so if you're having a hunt, I hope you can find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for watching the video to the end. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something for your enjoyment over the next week. And I look forward to seeing you again very shortly on this channel. And until we do meet again on this channel, from me, for now, bye bye now. Bye bye.